Hey there, it's Jenny. I just want to start out by reminding you, if you like this video, please like and share it with anyone else you think might like it as well. I'm going to create a very quick process video today using these supplies you're seeing here. They're mostly Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser. I know I've been using this a lot lately, but it's super cute. I have two 3x4 photos of two of my sons swimming last summer, and this was the most fun day, just so much fun. And I got so many photos that I absolutely love, so I'm really excited to scrap both of these. I trimmed both of them down to 3.5 tall, and then they're approximately 3 inches wide. I just wanted them a little bit shorter than the full 3x4, and again, they're digital prints, so it's not really 4 inches tall, but very close to it. I've trimmed my white cardstock down to 4 1/8 by 8 1/8 inches, and then I am matting the photos on some white cardstock as well. I'm using the Scotch ATG gun. Every now and again the adhesive gets stuck on the little roller, and so I was pulling that right off, but it happens. It's just a thing and it's not a big deal. It's easy to fix by pulling the adhesive. All right, so I love the pop that white cardstock gives. It really just makes the blues in that photo stand out. Now I'm going to trim, it's about 1.5 inches wide, this pattern paper. You can see it has text on it, and it's words like chill, happy, breathe, explore, joyful, that type of thing. I'm just trimming that 1.5 inch tall strip. I'm going to have it rest on top of and nestled ever so slightly behind the top of the photo, and it'll be just a tiny bit off from the photo as well. So it'll sit flush with the outside edges of the photo, but the inside edges, it will be just a tiny bit over, maybe like 1/4 inch, but probably closer to about 1/8 of the inch. So I'm just putting some adhesive on the bottom part of the strip of pattern paper and then laying the photo on the top of that right there. Now I didn't quite get this lined up the way that I had envisioned it initially. I was kind of distracted when I did that, so then I just am redoing it right there. So you see what I mean? Like, it's the edges on the outside are flush, but the edges on the inside are just hanging over just a tiny bit. So I love the design so far. It leaves plenty of room for a few embellishments, but the photos are absolutely the focus of this layout. I will add journaling as well, but not a ton of it. I am using the ephemera from the Sun Chaser collection, and there are so many cute pieces, but I've been using this a lot recently. I have so much fun with it, so it's been really something I have been enjoying. Now I am going to just play around with the ephemera. So I want to choose basically 2 pieces for each cluster. Two of them I will add a third element, but the one at the top I'm just going to leave it the way that it is. I'll have the journaling up there as well, so it'll all sort of form like one big nice cluster. You can see that with the tag I paired the clouds. I liked those 2 shapes together, and I also liked the colors. And then over on the left hand side I have that little rainbow and then basically the lime as well. I liked the size of those, that they were sort of similar in scale. I liked that versus the tag cluster where there's a big disparity between the 2 shapes. Now I'm going to just add the tiniest little strip at the top. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick, just up at the top. It'll help sort of set the tone for the layout from the top to the bottom. And I like that little added extra pop of color up there as well. So you see we've got the basics right there. You can see my visual triangle. And I'm going to take these wood buttons. They have a little epoxy on the top. They're so cute. There's a couple of them that look just great with this layout. So I've added them to the clusters as well. Now I'm going to work on the title, and I'm going to use these phrase thickers. They are also from the Sun Chaser collection, and I'm going to use the word fun from that, and then I'm going to pair it with these alphabet thickers. I love them. They're so cute, and they're just definitely really vibrant. They just have an energy to them, which is funny because they're stickers, so I don't know that that's necessarily how you would describe them, but I'm a big fan. All right, so I'm going to pair that. You see those together? I love it. They turned out so fun. Now I also printed some journaling on a scrap of clear sticker paper, and I'm going to add that as well. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.